Check out this 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Lair. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver illuminated vanity mirror, multi-zone AC, traction control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, rear defrost, power driver's seat, and auxiliary audio input. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.